Good morning, everyone. So just now I came back after brushing my teeth, and now my mouth feels very refreshing. And I saw a tweet by Narendra Modi, and it says like this. He has tweeted that it was a delight to meet PM Kishida. So PM Modi met PM Kishida, like Japan Prime Minister, on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Italy. So they met in Italy. There is some news about it. So I'll tell you what they talked about. So let's talk about this news. But before that, I have to go to buy sugar because I have been so busy with my office work that I haven't gotten time to buy sugar. For the past 2 days, I've been thinking to buy sugar and shampoo and perfume, but no time.
What?
Let me open the fridge and show it to you. Milk pack that I have, but I don't have sugar. And 2 days back, I bought this. This was Hangaku. You can see this is the Japanese written. Kanji is written Hangaku, like half price. So I bought this melon juice, like melon syrup, and I got this for 250 yen, like only 150 rupees around. This is a sugar syrup, so I am using it and drinking milk. But now I want to drink the milk with sugar, so I'm going to buy. But as I told you, time is the problem. And I was making a video and I realized that I haven't turned on the light also. Let me turn on the light. Now it's better. So let's go together and buy shampoo and all other stuff like sugar. I know a shop where I can buy shampoo at the half price because Indian. So today you will get to know the price of sugar in Japan, and I want you to write it in the comment section as to how much is the price of that much sugar in India, or if you are watching from some other country, then how much is the price of that much sugar in your country. Okay guys, so I'm ready. So I'm wearing my Los Angeles t-shirt. No, it's not from Los Angeles, only Los Angeles is written here. It's from Japan only. So let's go.
Chalo bhai.
Okay guys, so I'm out now because otherwise I have to speak out very loud. And here you can see that the person behind me is cleaning. Let me show you the garden in which Anna and I went to, and we prepared omochi. Behind this is the garden. This is where we prepared omochi. So here stalls were there and big line was there, a big queue was there. So Japanese people made us cross the queue. They made us make mochi. I'll post the video if I have. Mochi is something that when you boil rice and you put it in a ball and you hit it with the hammer, so like halwa, it becomes like halwa, so that becomes mochi. They place O before mochi because they want to give respect to that. This is the house that I like the most. You see, in Japan, almost everyone rides bicycle. Be it a CEO of a company or anyone, they would ride bicycle. You can see this uncle, he is riding bicycle. He's more than 80, I think. But he's enjoying the view and riding the bicycle. He's riding in his lane. It's not that he's crossing the lane. He's following the rules also and then riding the bicycle. He's going to buy some medicine. Well, a lot of people feel and tell me that I have gone very weak after coming to Japan. I think so too. Yeah, I saw in the news today that PM Kishida and PM Modi, they met and they discussed about the future of Indo-Japan relations. So obviously if the Prime Minister of two countries are meeting and they are discussing something, so there must be some positive signs about the relations between two countries. So they had a bilateral meeting in the G7 summit. Bilateral meeting is the meeting that is held between two parties, like organizations, some countries, like big leaders. And the best part of that discussion was that they also discussed about bullet train coming to India. So Japan is spending around 5 trillion yen. Actually, they have already spent from 2022 to 2027. They have spent 5 trillion yen. In that amount, they have also included the budget for bullet train. And the bullet train will run from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. No offense to Ahmedabad, I think the bullet train should have been from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Mumbai, because a lot of people, a lot of population of India travels from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Mumbai. Mumbai to Ahmedabad, I don't know if it makes any sense. Let me know, what do you think about it? That is something that high level people will decide. We are no one to decide. We are just the citizens of the country. We decide the government, then rest the government decides. So let the government decide from where to where the bullet train will run. See, the guy is so old, but he is performing his duty so well. He is standing. So first we'll go to Hangaku shop. Behind me you can see Hangaku is written. Hangaku means half price. So in this shop all the products are half price. So usually the shampoo is very expensive in Japan, but in this shop we'll get it at a very less price. So here you can see this is black fragrance tea shampoo. The price of this is 996 yen. But here the price is 498 and with tax it becomes 548. But if you go to other shops it's not 996, it's more than that. There are other shampoos as well. This is honey shampoo, but this is a little less price. I don't like this one much, but I like this black fragrance tea more. Now let's go upstairs to buy sugar and the face wash. So from there we are going to buy sugar and face wash. Let's see whether we get face wash or not, but sugar they will definitely get. So the name of the shop is Can Do, and you can see 100 yen shop, like you get maximum products for 100 yen. Now let's go. As you can see, this is 230 gram of sugar and the price is 110 yen. And yesterday I saw in some shop the price of sugar in that shop was 260 yen for 1 kg. So I'm going to go to that shop, and that is also near to my home. I'm not going to buy from here. You know, the strange thing is that I buy all the products from that shop only, but I thought maybe it's cheaper here, so I came here. So let's go to Kokoroya, the name of that shop. Now I'm very much sure that Kokoroya is the cheapest shop in Japan I have seen so far. In Japan, I would say. I have been to so many places in Japan, but Kokoroya is the cheapest shop of Japan. That's a Chinese shop. And luckily, it's near my home. In Hindi there is one proverb, one kahavat is there that bagal mein chhora, shahar mein dindora. Bagal mein chini milti hai, but I came so far. But it's fine, at least I got shampoo. See, the uncle is still standing, and it's very difficult. Everyone's job is very difficult. We should not take anyone's job very lightly. You have a very nice job. You have a very light job. No. Everyone's job is very tough. One more news that I see on all the social media platforms is that one CISF lady, she hit Kangana Ranaut on her face at the airport when Kangana was traveling from Delhi to Mumbai, I think. Now few people are supporting her for this. Few people have made songs on her. One businessman is ready to give her 1 lakh, whereas few people are criticizing the act of CISF lady.
खाई भी है तो अच्छा हुआ खाई, बात तो बहुत शर्मसार है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
उनको अभी थप्पड़ पड़ा ना, अगर ऐसे वो निकल गई ना उसको चप्पल जूता पड़ेगा।
सामने से सैल्यूट करता हूँ और एक दो देना चाहिए था।
I believe that what CISF lady has done, she shouldn't have done that. That is for sure. Because if you disagree with someone on social media, you cannot go and slap to that person. This is not the right way. The lady has to say that Kangana Ranaut tweeted about the farmers' protest that happened some time ago in India, that ladies are sitting in that farmer protest for just 100 rupees. And that CISF lady's mother was there in that protest. Some part was not recorded, so I'm recording it now. That what CISF person did was wrong, absolutely wrong. But what Kangana Ranaut did by passing a statement about farmers without any investigation, whether she actually knows that they were sitting for 100 rupees or she just passed a statement. She's a public figure, yeah, so she should be very careful about what she says, that too on Twitter and on her social media platforms. I believe she shouldn't have passed that statement without any research, without any proof. If she has any proof, then it's fine. If she doesn't have any proof, then she does not have any right to post anything like that on such a sensitive issue. Well, people have mixed opinions about this. What do you have to say? Let me know in the comment section. Let's go to buy sugar. This is the Kokoroya shop. Here you can see this is written in Japanese. So Kokoroya means heart. Kokoro means heart and ya means like shop. You know, all over Japan you would see watermelon at the price of 4,000 yen, 3,500 yen, minimum 3,000 yen. But here in Kokoroya, I'll show you the price of watermelon. See, this is the price of the watermelon. This is 1718. This is including tax, and this is the watermelon. It's a big size watermelon, so the price is 1718. That's why this is the cheapest shop. This is coriander. This is 1 packet and the price is 107 yen. Nowhere in Japan I have seen coriander, this much coriander at this price. So here you can see in this shop 264 yen with tax, 1 kg of sugar. I think I got the best deal. So I got the sugar for 264 yen. You can see this is Kokoro ya Kanji. So outside the shop also they have kept the products because Japan runs on honesty. Nobody would take and run away the products. My cycle. Well, let me know what are your thoughts about the two topics that we discussed in this video. I would like to end the video here and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, and in the description I have a Telegram link. Follow to that Telegram channel as well so that you can receive all the movies with Japanese subtitles for free. I will see you in the next video. So this is the music that is played at 6 o'clock sharp. So right now it's 6 o'clock evening. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.